Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another papercraft video. Today I have a really fun layered papercraft for you. This is my on the beach layered papercraft. Isn't that so fun? You've got that beach goer there holding his little cocktail, the fun umbrella, the palm tree right there, and that fun beach scene with the little seagulls in the back. So colorful, so bright, I love it. This project is super easy to put together and I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any paper crafting fun. And with that, let's get to it. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. Okay, here we are at my website, thebeardedhousewife.com. If you don't have an account on my website, you can go ahead and click the sign up button. You'll be taken to a page that has our different membership tiers. We have free, basic, and premium memberships. You can go ahead and choose which membership is right for you. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and click sign in. I'm going to go ahead and put in my credentials and log into the website. And now we're logged into the website. To access the files, you can head to the Files tab on the main navigation bar. Now this file is free for everyone, so free, basic, and premium members can all access this file. Free members will head to the Free Files tab and find the project there. Basic and premium members will head to the File Library and find the project there as well. For this project, you're going to want to look for design number 313. That is the On the Beach Layered Papercraft. Go ahead and click the download button, download the file to your computer, make sure to unzip the file, and then we can open up Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to Cricut Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in Cricut Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer, and click Open, and Upload. Highlight the image, and click Add to Canvas. Step 3. Resize the design. So you can see that our project has been brought into our canvas. I have sized this to fit as large as it can within the dimensions of the 12 by 12 cutting mat. So it is a little bit less than 11.5 inches wide because the cutting surface of the mats are 11.5 by 11.5. If you want to resize this design to maybe put it on a card or put it in a shadow box or use it for a different use, you can certainly do that and change the sizing right here in the sizing options. I would make sure to leave the proportions locked. And one thing that I will mention, there are a lot of little cuts here, so the smaller that you get, the more intricate the cuts are going to become. Just want to let you know that before you get started. Since I have this already sized appropriately, I'm going to go ahead and click Make It. You can see the different mats for this project. I'll go ahead and click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium cardstock for this project. I'll go ahead and get everything cut out and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your project. Okay, so I have everything all cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. So I'm just going to go ahead and layer up the design. I know it looks kind of crazy with all the different layers, but it was the only way that I could fit everything all in the frame because this is a large design. So we're going to start with the purple, then pink, then the lighter color, blue, the cream, tan, peach, orange, dark pink, and then the green. Don't worry, I do have a layering guide within the download that will help show you how to layer all of this up. You could totally use foam squares, but that's personal preference. I'm just going to stack everything together. I'm just going to go ahead and start to layer, and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm all done. And there we have our on the beach layered paper craft. Wasn't this super fun to make? I love this design. As summer is starting to wind down a little bit, it always is fun just to see the beach one more time. I hope that you like this. If you make it, I hope that you post it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. There's a link down below for you to check it out. Until next time, I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next paper crafting video. Bye!